Now this illustration deals with the grounding of panel boards in accordance with 408.40. And notice we talked about the raceway system routed over to the panel board and how we could size the equipment ground routed through metal raceways, or the equipment ground pulled through non-metallic raceways, or you had cables involved and we were sizing the equipment ground, and how the equipment grounds and neutrals were commonly connected at the service equipment connected into earth ground. But notice at the sub-panel, no, there's a separation required between the equipment grounding bar and the neutral bar. And you can see that the arrow now is pointing toward that neutral bar, and it has to be isolated in accordance with 408.40. But the equipment grounding bar is grounded to the case of the panel board, is illustrated there, but no connection to earth ground is required there. But the way I read the code is permitted. You could connect that for lightning protection, surges, and things like that if you wanted to. But notice that panel board is actually grounded back to the earth grounded procedure taking place in the service equipment. Now, the service equipment has a common grounding bar that is utilized at the service in accordance with 250.130A and 250.28. Neutrals, equipment grounds, the incoming grounded conductor or neutral terminate there and is connected into the electrode or the electrode system of 250.52A1 through 7, whichever how many of those electrodes are present. So this figure 7-20 illustrates the grounding of the panel board in accordance with 408.40 and the separation of the two bars. The figure loop just says for grounding services and branch circuits, see figure 16-92 and 16-100 in volume 2 of the Stallcup's electrical design book. And this figure -720 now illustrates the grounding of the panel board in accordance with 408.40.